In this video, I am going to show you how I made this animation. I have made this using hair curves and new simulation nodes. So without further ado, let's get started. As always, first delete the default cube and add ecosphere. Select the ecosphere and add fur from curves. After this, select the fur, go in modifiers tab and animate the noise. This will give the grass a wind effect. Also increase the number of curves in here. Then add green color to your fur from materials. After this, duplicate icosphere and add GEO-NODES to it. In GEO-NODES, first add a dual mesh node and then simulation zone. Then add extrude mesh node in simulation zone and set its offset value to 0.2 or something. Add random value node and connect it to selection of extrude mesh. After this, remember to not play the animation because it will crash Blender. You just have to go ahead frame by frame. Once you get the look you want, you can apply the geometry nodes modifier. Just like this, your planet is now ready. Now it's time to animate the camera. First, add a curved circle, then animate the camera on that curve. After this, for the zoom effect, you have to animate the focal length of your camera. Now it's just about some EV settings and lighting. From here you can just follow me, or if you want to see these settings in explanation, then I have a whole video dedicated to this topic. You can watch it.